In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Etsy stats for your shop in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy stats give you a complete overview of your shop performance, including traffic, orders, revenue, and conversion rate all in one dashboard. Now, if you want to use Etsy stats for your shop, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your shop manager from the top menu. After that, click on the Stats section to access your analytics dashboard. Then, choose your date range at the top to analyze performance over a specific period. Now, look at key metrics. Check visits to see how many people are coming to your shop, orders to see how many purchases you're getting, and revenue to track how much you're earning. After that, review your conversion rate. This shows how well your traffic turns into sales and helps you understand if your listings are performing effectively. Then, scroll down to see your top performing listings and keywords. This helps you identify which products and search terms are bringing in the most traffic. Next, analyze patterns in your data. If you have high visits but low sales, you may need to improve your product photos, pricing, or descriptions. Keep in mind that it's better to check your stats weekly instead of daily, so you can spot real trends instead of short-term fluctuations. Also, aim for a healthy conversion rate, usually around 2 to 4%, depending on your niche. That's it. By using Etsy stats properly, you can make smarter decisions and grow your shop more effectively without guessing.